Review on the Pearl Roadshow. This kit is a very awesome kit because it comes with all your, well, not all of them. It comes with two cymbals, well, three if you want to count the bottom of the hi-hat. Comes with 2 pairs of drumsticks and a stick bag, and then your bass pedal, but I don't have the bass pedal that originally came with it. I got the double bass pedal that I did a review on. If you guys haven't seen that, go check that out. And then let's get this started. So I'm gonna put you guys right here, and I'm gonna aim toward the snare, and then I'm gonna play. And then with the snare off, okay, now up to the left tom, which is the high tom. Then over, to the right tom. And then down to the floor tom. Then the bass. And then the cymbal that came with it. And then the hi-hat, finally. The hi-hat. And then the zildjian cymbal that I got. Okay, now I'm going to go set this up so you guys can hear what this sounds like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the review of the Pearl not the soundtrack, okay? The Pearl Roadshow. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more. Have an awesome day. Drum on.